Give me the reason why. Why can't I get over you? Finding it so hard to do, knowing that you moved on too. I spent so many sleepless nights, tossing and turning. Do I make it hard to try?
Correct.
Beautiful experience with her, dumb enough to walk away from love that she shared. Think he would get over until he got sober and realized the things that he did to her. I could never bring myself to break her heart. I could never keep this love and never ever part. Forever I will always treasure this alone. Now worry yourself, she will get blessings from above.